What's up, YouTube fam? Anyone tired of all those chat YouTube ads promising to elaborate with some AI-generated women who look more realistic than your ex-girlfriend?
Is capable of making you remember hard and big as a steel bar.
Or telling you that MrBeast is giving away some free cash if you just enter your credit card information. Seriously, it's gotten so bad that I actually saw one claiming that you can get 20 out of 20 vision by smashing a spoon into your eyeballs. I mean, what the hell? Are we living in a simulation or something? But enough of those chat ads that make people want to throw their laptop out the window. In this video, we are going to create some YouTube ads that actually slap, using a cool AI video generator called Invideo. And I'm Maddie from AI Fire Tutorial. Now, before going to the main part, we need to create a script for your YouTube ads. Here, I will use ChatGPT to create one for me. And remember to include all these following elements in your prompt to get the most effective response from ChatGPT. So here we have type of video that you want, and also include the product, service, and your target consumer. And you also need to include the length of the video, the tone of voice, and any additional adjustment for your output. Write a script for a YouTube ad to promote a sour beer blended with freshly cold pressed strawberries, especially for women. Keep the ad in 15 seconds. Keep the tone cheerful, inviting, and funny. Start the intro with a woman shaking her head and wincing when drinking traditional beer, and a CTA at the end of the video. So just click enter and wait for a few seconds to get the response from ChatGPT. Okay, so now we have the script. Just copy this one and make some minor changes if you want to. And now turn to Invideo website to create a video. Click here to sign up with your account. And you can try it totally free. Okay, so now just enter the basic information here. And here just enter the script that you have just created with ChatGPT. Click generate a video here and wait for a few seconds. So after analyzing and thinking, Invideo AI will have some more questions about your purpose, so it can generate a better output for you. So here we are, the audience, women, beer enthusiasts, or foodies. How do you want your video look and feel? Bright, okay. And the platform that you will upload your video, I would choose YouTube here. And simply click continue. So now let's watch the video that Invideo has just created for me.
Ever find yourself yearning for a brew that's more than just ordinary? Here comes the strawberry sour beer. This isn't your typical pint. It's a masterful fusion of sour beer and freshly cold pressed strawberries. It's for those who crave a unique, delicious twist, for those who dare to be different. Embrace the strawberry revolution and discover a brew that's crafted for the bold. Strawberry sour beer, because ordinary just isn't enough.
Now, if you are satisfied with the video, you can simply export it and download it to your laptop. If not, you can edit your video here. You can make changes to both the media and the script of your video. With the media, you can replace the original one with the media in the stock that they provide you, or even upload your own media to replace for the script. You can correct some wrong information or add some more information to the script. And if you are done with all the editing thing, you can simply click here to export the video into your laptop. One potential competitor of Invideo is Sora, introduced by OpenAI last month. Right after its publication, it received a lot of positive feedbacks from both users and experts in this field. But where Invideo is more user-friendly, Sora leans into that AI power for more customization. At the end of the day, there are two solid options for leveling up your YouTube ads from those just promos we are all too familiar with. Whichever you choose, your subscribe button is about to get one heck of glow up. And there you have it, my fellow content creators. You're now equipped with Invideo to create YouTube promos so fire that attracts new viewers clicking that red subscribe button. Practice these simple steps, flex that creative muscle, and start pumping out ads that will transform your channel's growth. Don't forget to leave some comments below to share with me your interesting ad.